Nakapag-rugby ka na?
I tried. I tried. But mas gusto ko yung mga, kasi sa rugby safe eh. Tatakel ka na
Mhm.
gano'n. I'm on offense. Gusto ko nag-run through people lang na naka-helmet. Tsaka parang feeling ko mas cool pag naka-pads saka naka-helmet. Pero I just find it fun but I stopped kasi I'm getting up there in age. I'm 38 now. So the injuries ko. Thankful ako wala naman nangyari. But if I get injured, it opens up a whole bag of worms na ayoko nang okay na ako na nagbubuhat na dito sa bahay.
So you like to hammer pala through the crowd, through the sea of players, di ba?
Yeah.
Wait,
That was my role before.
is that why you're called Coach Hammer? Kasi gusto mo yung
No,
talagang
Hammer is kasi mahilig yung lola ko sa mga acronyms. So tawag niya sa
Okay.
akin nung bata pa ako Hammer kasi pukpok lang ako ng pukpok eh. Pag nagtatrabaho, para kang martilyo, para kang hammer, trabaho ka lang ng trabaho. Kasi I don't have hobbies. I just practice sports. When I get home, I sleep. I eat and I sleep. I don't have any other thing. Siguro reading. But for the most part, I just go to school. Kung sabi, pukpok ka ng pukpok, para kang martilyo. So that's the etymology of it.
Wait,
And
what's your lola's name?
Dr. Maria Paz Ugalde. So I owe a lot to her talaga.
Doctora Maria Paz Ugada. Well, I love that your nickname, Coach Hammer, comes from Lola Doctora Maria Paz Ugada.
Yes.
I would have
Yeah.
thought yung Hammer, kasi it sounds very, very sporty, di ba? So I would have thought galing sa mga teammates mo
No,
or galing
it's
sa
from the
coach
grandma.
mo.